Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my first impressions on the Morphe 2 line and their brand new concealers that they have just brought out for the Morphe 2 collaboration with Charlie and Dixie D'Amelio. So I've already began with doing my eyebrows and concealing my lids with the Filter Effect Concealer by Morphe. I'm absolutely in love with this concealer. It's full coverage and it's only £10. So I'm really interested to see what the new concealer is going to be like, because I know Morphe and Morphe 2 are completely different. Morphe 2 is more of a embracing your skin. For example, I have freckles on my skin. You know, just your little beautiful imperfections and embracing the no makeup look, basically. I picked up two of the Morphe Hint Skin Tint. I got the shade Hint of Butterscotch and Hint of Honey. Absolutely obsessed with the packaging of these. Like, how cute are these? Like, okay, but look how cute they look on my desk, guys. They look so cute on my desk. I know it sounds so extra, but I just love it. How cute. I'm going to do two swatches on these. I'm going to shake. So I'm going to first put on Hint of Butterscotch. This foundation is for tan with neutral olive undertones. Ooh. Okay. The next shade I'm using is Hint of Honey, which is tan with neutral golden undertone. This is so satisfying. Butterscotch is way more golden and Honey is a little bit more, it's gold but it's neutral. So I am going to blend out this one a little bit on this side. Wow, the coverage. I'm more Honey and I feel like Butterscotch would be my summer shade. So I'm happy that I got both shades, but definitely Honey is my shade. Also ordered their Morphe 2 brushes, so let's have a look at these. You know me, I love aesthetic things. I love the packaging of this. So cute. This is going to be great for traveling. Ooh, let's have a look. Now let's test these out. I love these brushes, guys. And the Kabuki brush, guys, is so soft. I'm excited to use this. And it comes with a highlighter brush, a blusher brush, and an eyeshadow brush. Really good. I think for traveling, this is going to be so convenient. Like, you've got a bag, you can put this in. Literally, everything you need, basically, for a natural makeup look is right here, ready to go. Alongside the Morphe 2 products, I picked up the medium face palette. The reason I picked this up was because I couldn't get the Morphe 2 cream blush that I wanted, and I was like, I need a blush and I need a powder, I need a bronzer. They haven't actually released a Morphe 2 bronzer yet, so I was like, what else can I do? I saw this and I was like, it's still Morphe and I've never tried it before, and I've seen some really good reviews on it, so I wanted to try it myself. This is so cute. It's me. You are ready. Oh, and again, this is gorgeous. They do a few more of these as well, so if you're like deeper skin tone or more lighter in skin complexion, you can find your perfect match. Comes with two highlighters, two blushes, you've got bronzers, contour, and you've got your brightening powder. I love, oh my god. Okay, let's begin. Going in with the Morphe Filter Effect Concealer. Just going to put that all over my eyelid. With this shade, which is Leading Light, I'm going to put this over my eyelid. I will, to set. With the Morphe 2 brush, I'm going to go in the shade Megastar to just bronzen up my eyelids a little bit. Wow, that is pigmented. I'm going to go and put some eyelashes on, mascara and eyelashes, and I'll be back once I'm done. Okay, so give it a shake, and the D'Amelio girls, they put it on their hands, so I'm going to do the exact same thing they do. Oh wow, that is one pump. It's quite a lot of product. So we're going to take the brush. Wow. You can actually get quite a good coverage. You don't even need as much as I've put on. Can you guys just see? Any direction I go in, I'm getting a glow. This is amazing. I love how this looks. It's so nice. So I picked up the brand new concealers from Morphe 2, the Peak of Buff and Peak of Sand. The packaging is so nice. It's proper in sync with the foundation. Love the packaging. The packaging feels expensive. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, the wander's a bit different to what I thought it'd be. I've actually got some foundation on my hand, so I'm just gonna do swatch there. I feel like right now this is full coverage on my face, and I want a concealer that's gonna brighten up, whether that be if I'm gonna use it on my eyelids or if I'm gonna use it more as a highlighter. This is Peak of Sand and this is Peak of Buff. Buff is obviously a lot lighter and Peak of Sand. So I'm going to use one side Peak of Buff and one side Peak of Sand, so you guys can have a look what it looked like on my skin complexion. So we're going to go in with the Peak of Buff. Ooh, this feels so nice. I can't get over how radiant my skin looks on this camera and in real life. Gorgeous. As you can see my face, this side is more brighter and this side's a little more neutral. I feel like I could use this concealer on its own. Like I really feel like I could use this on its own. I don't think I have to necessarily use this with the foundation. So if I'm like going out and I'm like, oh, dark circles are looking a bit dark, haven't got enough sleep, pop a bit of that on and I'm ready to go. I love the Peak of Buff on this side because I feel like it's really brighten my face up. This concealer feels really hydrating. I'm so far so in love. It has got a dewy sort of finish, but also has dried down very quickly. I'm going to use the brush to see what it looked like. Oh, the brush works really well with it, guys. So if you do purchase the brush, you can literally use it for your foundation and your concealer. Actually, looking at my skin, I can still kind of see my freckles underneath it, which is quite nice. But my skin looks clear, if that makes sense. You can't see any hyperpigmentation that I have. It just looks like I've got that naturally amazing skin, which I don't have. In the shade Creator. Since I wasn't able to pick up the cream blush, and I had seen a lot of people say that it's not as pigmented, I was like, nothing wrong with a powder blush. I literally like to pluck blush everywhere. I'm going to wipe off my foundation lips. In that same bronze I used earlier in the shade Megastar, I'm going to take that and just bronze around my face a little. I did pick up the Gloss Pop Face and Eyes, so I'm going to be using that on my cheeks. I'm going to place a little bit on my palm here. The brush, and then I'm going to try using it without maybe. Ooh. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, weirdly enough, I'm putting this on my skin and I'm expecting my makeup to be sliding off my face, like my makeup to be moving and separating. It's currently not. Is she wearing makeup or is she just cute naturally? This is cute. I really do like this. Let's go in with the Morphe 2 lip oil. I'm using Be Kind. Ooh, this is bright. I'm curious to see what it's going to look like on my lips. Like this, guys, I feel like I just look glowy. Like, I look like I'm ready to go to the beach or just look natural. I love it. And I do have combination skin, so I also have dry and oily skin. And I'm waiting for my oily bits to start reacting because they react fast. And currently, they have not. Wow, this looks good. I also picked up the Morphe Continuous Mist. I have never tried this, and I always see people using it, so I'm kind of excited. I wonder if Morphe 2 is going to release a cream bronzer. Maybe cream highlighter. So that is the final look complete, guys. I'm in love. Like, I'm in love, guys. And the lip oil is not no stickiness. I'm in love.